So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to check product details in just one click. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's clearly jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Lens app by Google. Just open it and a camera will be automatically opens, right? So after giving your permissions, this is your camera, right? So click a picture of the product and tap on the product. Then here you can see a slider. Just swipe up and here you can see some products related to the subject. So this is how you can check product details in just one click. So thank you for watching.